Taxonomy is the science of identifying, naming, and classifying organisms according to shared characteristics and evolutionary relationships. In 1735, Swedish naturalist Carl Linnaeus published Systema Naturae, introducing a hierarchical framework for organizing life. He also formalized binomial nomenclature, in which each species receives a two-part scientific name. For example, Sequoiadendron giganteum for the giant sequoia, Amanita muscaria for the fly agaric fungus, Balaenoptera musculus for the blue whale, Aptenodytes forsteri for the emperor penguin, and Pavo cristatus for the Indian peafowl, commonly called the peacock. Through binomial nomenclature, every formally named species is given its own unique scientific identity, recognized across languages and regions. Knowing an organism's precise taxonomic identity can be crucial for a number of reasons, including conservation and public health. The African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the African savanna elephant, Loxodonta africana, were once treated as a single species. Recognizing them as distinct species allows conservationists to address their different habitats and threats more effectively. Likewise, most mosquito bites cause little more than an irritating itch. But Aedes aegypti can transmit the virus responsible for dengue fever. Taxonomy therefore helps scientists determine which organisms must be protected, monitored, or controlled. Organisms are commonly grouped into large taxonomic groups called kingdoms. Kingdoms include ancient bacteria, protista, fungi, plantae, and Animalia. To see how classification progresses from broad groups to a single species, let's follow the classification and binomial nomenclature of the tiger. Kingdom. Animalia. Animals are multicellular organisms that obtain energy by consuming organic matter and are usually capable of movement. This immense kingdom includes invertebrates, such as octopuses, worms, and insects, as well as vertebrates such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, including the tiger. Phylum. Chordata. Most chordates are vertebrates, animals with a backbone. This group includes fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Class. Mammalia. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates distinguished by hair or fur and mammary glands that produce milk. Examples include dolphins, whales, bats, deer, and of course, tigers. Order. Carnivora. Carnivorans are mammals with characteristic skulls, powerful jaws, and specialized teeth for grasping and shearing food. This order includes cats, dogs, bears, hyenas, and seals. Family. Felidae. Felids are specialized predators with acute senses, flexible bodies, and claws that are usually retractable. This family includes domestic cats, lynxes, cheetahs, lions, and tigers. Genus. Panthera. The classification now narrows to the 5 big cat species: tigers, lions, leopards, jaguars, and cougars, also called pumas or snow leopards. Species: Panthera tigris. Finally, we reach a single species, the tiger. Panthera identifies its genus, while tigris distinguishes it from every other member of that genus. At each descending rank, the group becomes smaller and its members more closely related,